Friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of StormX. What's the price change goes and StormX, what's the high price and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold StormX. In this video I will show you the live price prediction. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of StormX. After that we decide that it's the best time to buy, sell or hold according to the price changes occur in the StormX in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. We decide that what's the time goes to. And friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the StormX of the previous last 2 hours. 2 hour result of the StormX in the cryptocurrencies markets you are watching now. Friends, if you look the changes in the StormX in the last 2 hours is about negative 5.55% chance occur in the StormX, and the last 2 hours and the high price of Storm is about $0.08994 is the high price of Storm in the last 2 hours. Friends, if you look the chart analysis, the price chart of the Storm, so the chart tell us that they continuously falling down, absolutely falling down period of the very totally they are in the falls. And now if we look the currently situation of the StormX, so currently they are very fastly falling down. As you can see here at the circle, they are currently falling down very badly, friends. That is the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we decide that what's time goes to StormX, what's the price prediction, what's changed in the last 1 hour, as there is chances to StormX explode again or not. After the last 1 hour price prediction we decide it. As you can see here, friends, oh my god, it's a shock chance and StormX. As you can see here now, currently the change occur, the StormX starts jumping at this time. Now StormX starts jumping upward. As you can see here, as you can see the previous period of the StormX is a falling, and if we look the currently now positions of now status of StormX in the cryptocurrencies markets, so this take up, as I told you in the start of this video, that maybe they explode in the future. As you can see now, this explosion time of StormX. So friends, if we talk about the average change of StormX, so the average change is about negative 2.96% chance occur in the StormX, and the high price of Storm is about $0.0877743 is the high price of Storm. So friends, if we look the currently situation of the currently status of Storm, so as you know on the graph, the explosion time starts now. So it is clear for all of StormX holder that it's time to hold your StormX and wait for your high explosion and make a good amount of profit with StormX. If you want to buy a StormX, so absolutely now it's a big opportunity for you to buy StormX. As you know now currently they start explosion, so please buy StormX. And if you want to sell it, so no, don't do this mistake, and this time don't sell it StormX. Hold it with the end of this month and make a good amount of profit. Please share your opinion in the comment box. What's your opinion about StormX? And also subscribe to IBS Tech channel, because IBS Tech channel update you from every new cryptocurrencies news. Thank you so much for watching this video.